welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, I wanted to do a lot more deals, but my normal cashier was there, and there was a lot of employees I don't deal with, so I didn't want to go like all crazy because I don't like holding up the lines. That's my main thing I don't like doing, is I always try to either go to the beauty counter or I always try to go to the photo counter when I do checkout. I just don't like holding up the lines, or I let people go in front of me, so that's just like a big thing that I don't like. But I am pretty excited to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. I ended up getting lots of laundry detergent, and I'm going to go back. I'm probably going to go every single day this week to get laundry detergent. Now, I did want to get more at my store, but my store didn't have hardly any pods, and I don't like being a shelf clearer, so I just kind of let other people get it. But I'm going to try other stores and see what they got. But let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. So the deal that you guys definitely want to do this week is the Garnier Fructis deal. Now, I haven't gotten shampoo wasted in a long time, and this week I plan on getting shampoo wasted. I'm just going to go to my normal store that I usually go to. These were 2 for $7. You guys want to use a 4 off of 2 coupon that we just got this past Sunday's paper. I ended up getting inserts that I usually never get. I got them when I went to visit my parents, so I had coupons. Usually I have to wait till Mondays to get my inserts, but I use that 4 off of 2 coupon. Plus, there is a Walgreens coupon in the booklet that you guys can scan. Now, you guys just need to have the cashier scan the booklet once, and it'll apply to whatever you buy. But the coupon, the normal manufacturer coupon, is a limit of 1. So if you guys are going to do this, make sure you do it in separate transactions. So 1 coupon. I know it's weird, but if that's the company's going to let us do this, then that's what we have to do, you know. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. But you guys, will have to use those $2 off coupons, or 2 coupons. You guys would just get these for 50 cents a piece. Now, I think that is a great deal. That is a great stock up deal. So definitely do the Garnier Fructis deal. So I ended up doing that in 1 transaction, and then I also did it in a separate transaction. I love Garnier Fructis. This is by far my favorite shampoo and conditioner, along with the whole blends, so I had to do that. And I want to do that deal multiple times. So like I said, I'll be going to Walgreens a lot this week because of the deals that I want to do. With my second transaction, I ended up just getting the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. I have a friend who really likes sensitive skin, so I thought I'd get this. So this would be $1.99. There is no coupons. You guys could find Peely coupons, but I don't really take Peelies off of products from different stores unless I see it at that store, that I'll use it at that store. But you guys would just get this for $1.99. So if you guys are interested in something like that, go for it. I also got the Persil Pro Caps, or Pro Power Caps is what these called. These were $4.99. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon that we just got in today's paper. You guys would end up paying $1.99 for this. But then if you guys watched my Saving Star video of new deals to pop up, there is a $2 off Saving Star deal for this. If you guys did this deal at CVS, it ends up becoming a money maker. So you guys would get $2 back if you submit your receipt. Now, I'm not submitting my receipt for this because I'm letting it do it on the Saving Star app through CVS, because I don't like submitting my receipts to Saving Star. That's like one app that I just dread. I don't know why, but I just dread it. But it ends up becoming free if you guys do submit your receipt on Saving Star. Or if you guys don't, it'll just be $1.99, which could be a pretty good deal with that. That's pods I don't get very often, so I like to do that. Thing I did forget to mention is the coupon deal, you guys. Now, I've posted this several times. Thank you for everybody who has joined, or everybody who has bought a t-shirt. There has been a lot of us. I just ordered my shirts last night. I ended up getting another t-shirt and a hoodie. But if you guys are interested, please remember, this deal ends on Tuesday and it will no longer be available. So those t-shirts are no longer going to be available unless I work with a company. And if I do, it's going to be many months down the road. So I'm just saying, if you guys want a shirt, t-shirt, tank top, or hoodie, you have until Tuesday at midnight to get these shirts. Now, please keep in mind, these shirts are one of a kind. I made the prices a little bit, and I do get a little tiny percentage out of every single one because I did pursuing all the work, but I wasn't in it to make a profit. And then I am going to make a little video after everybody gets their shirts, you know, to send me a picture of your shirt, because I want to make a little montage video of everybody wearing their Coupon Addict t-shirt. So please remember, Tuesday is your last day to order those shirts. Some of you guys may have forgotten, but get them ordered because they will no longer be available. They are one of a kind. And I think in the future I'm going to work on different shirt deals and other ideas. So definitely, you guys, one of a kind shirt will not be available again. I know some of you guys aren't interested, which is fine. But I wanted to keep it where everybody, you know, I didn't want to put my name on it because everybody, you know, likes to wear different things. So letting you guys know with that. So back to the deals at Walgreens. I ended up getting the Tide deal. Now I got the Tide laundry detergent and the Tide pods. Now I don't get these coupons in my inserts. I ended up ordering my coupons. If you guys want to know where I get my coupons from, you guys can you can just search on how I get my coupons. I made the video like a month ago, but a lot of you guys, you know, were pretty excited that I made that video. But the pods were $4.99 and the liquid was $4.99. Now you guys want to use two $3 off coupons for the Tide and two $3 off coupons for the liquid. Now this is a deal where it says if you spend 15 you get 5,000 points. Now you guys technically should not pay with points if it says spend. But if you guys use over $15 worth of coupons, so right now you have $12 worth of coupons that you guys are using. If you guys did the Garnier Fructis, most likely you guys could pay with points and get points back. I might just do that deal just to show you guys that you guys want to make sure you don't pay with points. But usually if it says spend like 15 or spend 20, you got to make sure you actually have $15 or $20 worth of regular manufacturer coupons. That's not including the Walgreens coupons, and that is also factored in after. So just letting you guys know on that. So just giving you guys a heads up. But if you guys bought two of each of these, you guys would pay $7.96. Now also it says spend 15, and these are $4.99 because they want you to buy 4 of them over 3 of them. And I don't think there's any filler item that you guys can get to make it the 15 boost. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. But you guys would pay $7.96 for this. But then you guys will get 5,000 points for buying 4 or for spending 15. You guys would just get everything for $2.96 or just 74 cents a piece. And I think that is a great, great deal. I avoided doing this deal at CVS because I think this is a lot better deal. I didn't even look at CVS, so definitely wanted to do it. I just really want to stock up on Tide. My machine, I don't like the Tide pods as much. I will use them, but my machine, I have a regular like high efficiency regular top loader machine, and I just am not a big fan with it with pods, but we do use the liquid. But I know everybody loves using the pods, especially like, you know, because there's people who use more soap. You're only supposed to use a little bit of soap, and if you guys ever do this, like you wash your clothes and you use a lot of soap, wash your clothes again and don't use any soap, and you'll see a lot of the suds because more people use more soap than that they're supposed to. That's why they came out with the Tide pods, because you don't have to. But then on here it says that you guys can use 1, 2, or 3. I don't know. It's up to you guys what you guys want to do. But definitely going to stock up on a lot of Tide because I can. And I bought those coupons. So, and I love to help out people. I have people who are like brand loyal with that stuff. So enough with me rambling about the Tide pods. Wanted to share with you guys with that. Now I ended up getting the Renuzits. I love this deal. Grandma always wants to get rid of these, like when we do little boxes for people, and I'm like, no, keep them. He's like, why? And I'm like, because I love them. I have a basement, and my cat litter box is down here, and it's just a basement. It's kind of weird, so this one feels lighter. So I end up putting these like all over. I got one like right there. I think I got one over, I got two over there, one over there. So I put these all over the place because I just like, you know, having a little bit of a scent instead of the basement, and then you can't smell like all the basement smells. So these were 89 cents a piece. You guys want to use that buy 3 get one free coupon that we just got today's inserts. Now that's something I never get. I never get those coupons, and then they popped up on coupons.com, which I was super excited for, and then they haven't popped up on Saving Star for a while, which I'm super excited for. So you guys want to buy 4 of them. You guys want to use that buy 3 get one free coupon. You guys would get you guys would pay $2.67 for this, but then you guys can submit your receipt on Saving Star for $1.10 off, making these $1.57 or just 39 cents a piece. So I love these. I haven't gotten these for a while, and my pile's getting a little low, but I could not pass these up, and I love these. I got the apple cinnamon. I just love it. They're just so easy, and I have them in my bathroom too. So wanted to share with you guys on this. Now I screwed up on this deal. I swear I got the cheaper one, but I wasn't paying attention because there was somebody standing next to me, and I kind of be like, I don't like couponing when there's people next to me because I kind of get screwed up. But this I thought was $6.99, but the other one I think was $6.99. But this was $8.99. You guys want to use a $3 off coupon. Now I get People magazine for free, so there is a $3 off coupon on there. I am not sure if there's another $3 off coupon, but when I did buy this, I had a Catalina print off. Now you guys have to have the cashier scan this, and this will print off. You could ask if you can use this, but this is a $5 off a 2 Bosch and Lomb. So I'm probably going to do this deal again, just depending on what the price was. But then there's also a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for $3.99. Not the greatest deal. I screwed up on it, but I still wanted to share with you guys that because some of you guys do need this stuff, so I did want to share with you guys with that. I ended up getting this Revlon like nail files. These were $2.39. Now you guys can also do the nail clippers, which I think I might do because I always love stocking up on nail clippers. I have them everywhere in my house because you never know when you need a nail clipper. But these were $2.39. You guys want to buy 2. You guys would just pay $4.78 for both of these. But then you guys get 3,000 points, and this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. You guys would just get both of these for $1.78 or just 89 cents. So I'm not sure if that's a great deal, but I wanted to share with you guys on that in case you guys need some nail files because that's something we never coupon for. And then I got the last item for you guys. I ended up getting the Mitchum deodorant. Now, it depends on what's they're both the same price at Walgreens and CVS. CVS, there's a boost that I will explain to you in my CVS video, but I still wanted to share with you guys because a lot of you guys don't have CVS where you are. But these are the Mitchum deodorants. They're on sale for $2.99. Now, we just got those $2 off coupons. You guys would just get this for just 99 cents. So if you guys are, you know, brand loyal for deodorant, definitely go for it. I think 99 cents for deodorant is sometimes a decent deal. I didn't have any boosters. I couldn't find them. I figured out how to find them. But I didn't have any boosters, so I'm waiting, you know, to see if there's any boosters. And then I also, my coupons on Walgreens.com were acting weird. Like, I clipped them all to my card last night. And then I go back on there this morning, and it says I don't have any coupons to clip. So I don't know what the heck's going on. So I didn't want to even bother dealing with digital coupons. And then I also wanted to do some other shampoo and conditioner deals. But I didn't have the right coupons for it. I just didn't want to figure out the math. So definitely stay tuned for Saturday. I'm going to have a pretty good haul for you guys. It's going to be a pretty big haul. It's actually going to be probably bigger than what I have. Sorry, I'm just peeling a sticker off. So yes, I just wanted to share with you guys my haul on that. But oh, I forgot to tell you guys my total. So I did 2 separate transactions. One total was everything. And then the second transaction was just the Arm & Hammer and the Garnier Fructis. Now, please keep in mind, I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company, so what I pay out of pocket is a lot different than what you guys pay out of pocket. That's what a lot of the parentheses mean. A lot of you guys don't know what the parentheses mean when my breakdowns. But my first total came to $15.66. Ended up getting $8,000 back in points, $5,000 for the Tide, and $3,000 for the Revlon. Now, that is a deal I did pay with points, because I ended up using like $20-something worth of coupons. So just keep in mind if you guys do something like that. I also will be getting $1.10 back from Saving Star for the Renuzit. So that came to $6.56. My transaction number 2, I just ended up paying $1.63 out of pocket for that stuff because of those 2 items. So if you add everything together, I paid $8.19 for 18 items. That comes out to be just 46 cents a piece. Did I say 18? I meant $8.19. $8.19. But hey, I think $8.19 for all that stuff is a pretty good deal. If you guys really face the fact that I got 6 things of laundry detergent, 4 things of shampoo and conditioner, and I got eye stuff, I think that's a pretty good deal in my opinion. You guys would just pay a little bit more than what I did. But don't forget about the t-shirts, you guys. Tuesday at midnight this deal ends, and I'm super excited to do a little montage with everybody. So once that ends, then they'll start shipping them out shortly right after that. So wanted to share with you guys on that. But again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all another time for my another Walgreens haul. And be prepared. Check out your clearance rack. The summer stuff's starting to go on clearance because they're getting school supplies in, so you guys want to stay tuned for that. My battery's about to die. It's like blinking at me that it's about to die. But definitely check out your clearance on school supplies and all, or not the, but all the summer stuff, and yeah, the t-shirt thing. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all another time for another Walgreens haul when I go crazy. Bye bye.